So I'm Keith. I'm a partner in a professional services firm here in Seattle, Washington. We've been in business for just over 17 years. There's lots of different technology solutions in our industry, and as there are in many industries, but they don't always solve the problem exactly the way that we would like to address it. And so in our case, a lot of the technologies that are built specifically for our industry didn't apply to the way that we work with our clients. When we've ever had a snafu with a client or internally, you can almost always trace that back to if we had communicated better, we would have avoided that issue. The two basic tools that we've tried to use in the past are just Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, and what task functionality it's contained in Outlook. And then we then graduated to Excel and thought we could build out some spreadsheets that we could track.
A solution for me truly was gigantic Post-it notes that I would use in meetings when I would collaborate with individuals. We'd have a meeting to discuss a project, to even just brainstorm about a project.
And the reality is neither of those systems is really scalable or meant to handle the complexity that we're dealing with. It originally took just a small bite of Kerika to test how would we use that and does that solve our needs. And over that period of 2 years, we've slowly adopted it more and more in our processes, and all of our people are now leveraging Kerika, and we continue to improve the way that we're using it, but it's been a gradual process of how we've integrated it into our firm.
It's great to be able to see what you need to do every single day, sometimes before you even get to work.
It's almost like a language. It is much more sophisticated than a lot of applications that are similar to it in the marketplace.
The amount of communication that we receive on a daily basis is overwhelming. And in order to be able to dissect and dilute that information and boil it down to the important things that need your attention, that's where a system like Kerika is super helpful, because it weeds out all the unnecessary noise. A product like Kerika is a bit of a morale booster, because when you slide things that have been challenging from in progress to done, there's a great sense of accomplishment.